Good evening, friends. In this session is dedicated to class 9 and we are going to do The Legend of the Northland by Fo Carey. The main idea of writing The Legend of the Northland is to instill in the mind of the children the value of kindness, generosity and charity irrespective of who the person is. So, the summary goes like that. In the Northland there lived an old woman who once was baking, cake in her cottage. In the evening, she was just baking delicious cake in her cottage. Saint Peter, a religious person, was on his way to preach his, lessons and his sermons to the people of the world. He went from place to place preaching his, lessons among the people around the world. When he reached the door of that old woman's cottage, he just wanted to have a piece of delicious cake because he felt hungry and exhausted. Having wandered the whole day without food, St. Peter's was quite hungry and felt quite weak. Therefore, when he reached the door of the old woman, he saw her baking cake, delicious cake. He requested her to give a piece of cake as he was very hungry and fainted. The old woman started baking cake and she went on making a smaller and a smaller cake. When she baked one of the cakes, she saw that it was too big for, her to part with somebody. Therefore, she still went on making smaller and smaller, and eventually she made a very small, just like a paper thin cake, quite like a wafer. She just made a very thin paper thin cake, but that also she felt that it was too big for anyone to be given. She realized that the cake that was meant for her was always small enough, but the cake that she wanted to give to someone appeared to her big enough to give to someone, and therefore she made finally a very small cake. But that was just like a paper thin and just like a wafer. But that also she didn't want to part with that. Having seen her cruelty, having seen her, lack of generosity, Saint Peter became very angry and he just realized that the old woman doesn't deserve to be a human being and she doesn't deserve to live in a house. So he cursed her and just turned her into a woodpecker, which generally wanders in the forest pecking on wood to get scanty food. So soon after the curse, a bird flew from the house, and that was the black woodpecker. That a woman was cursed and punished for her greed and lack of generosity. So the lesson that is being taught in this poem is that we should always exhibit love and affection, generosity and kindness to others. Otherwise, we don't have the right to be a human being. We must have generosity and kindness for our fellow being because life is worth when we live for others. That is the reason why the little woman who didn't show any kind of kindness to the little, Saint Peter, was turned into a woodpecker. And the children going to school saw that the woodpecker was just pecking at the wood in search of food. So, this beautiful poem, The Legend of the Northland, is full of lessons and didaction which teaches the lesson of kindness, generosity, and charity. We should always try to show kindness, generosity, and charity to our fellow being because that is the value, that is the quality we must have as a human being. That's what this poem teaches us. Thank you.